everybody! Welcome to Crafty Aims Workshop, and today, as you can see, I have another art or a diamond painting to open for you. This came from AliExpress, from a shop in AliExpress. So let's see how I like AliExpress, at least this shop. I'm trying to cover up the addresses so y'all can't see it. I told you all that I wasn't going to buy any more. This I have actually ordered 4 more. But we can get into that another time. I need to stop. That's all there is to it. I have so many now. I don't need any more. But you know, you look at those pictures and you're like, oh, I gotta have it. The next thing you know, you're ordering another painting that you don't need. So, so far, I like the packaging. I mean, they made sure to that it wouldn't get hurt in any way. I mean, look at that. I love the packaging. This is great. I mean, if you're not going to be putting it in a box, so look at that. Nice. I like. Right now, this is folded a little bit. Let's see, is it poured glue, or I guess it's not poured glue, because I'm looking at this right here. Ooh, they folded it the right way, so that's a good thing. So here's the canvas on the back side. So this is nice. This is very nice. And then we've got some baggies, your little toolkit. They give you 2. Oh, let's look at this for a minute. So they give you, that might be 6 or 8 or something like that on that side. And then your single. And then this is, looks like 4 and a single. So that's cool. You can always use drill pins, or at least use the tips for your homemade pins, or wherever you're buying your pins. I got one on Etsy I really like. And then they give you some bags, some wax, and your tray. So that's your basic toolkit. And here's all the drills. That is really, you know, this might be a good seller. We will see. As you can see, it is the lion, the lamb, and the dove. Okay, so I like the canvas. It's a nylon or a polyester, which is good. It's not horrible. And it's doable. I like it. So let's turn this over. So this is a 60 by 60, and I did the square drills this time. And before I try to open it up, let you see what it looks like. Look at that. So you can see there. And I like that, and look what I just did. I'm going to cut that off. I don't care too much for that. Just don't cut any more of the canvas. Okay, so you guys see that. So let's take a look. We've got 39 colors, 60 by 60. So let's take a look. This is obviously, it is double-sided tape. Bright, I like that. Let's see, is it, ooh, very sticky. Let's see if I can pull this down some more. The code numbers, whatever you call those, the field looks really good. Oh, I like this. This is so nice. Okay, this actually might turn out pretty good. Okay, that's all I'm gonna pull out. If you guys can see that. The symbols are pretty good. There's some interesting symbols in here, just saying. Oh, I like it. I think I'm gonna like this painting. I don't see any folds or messed up areas where the double stick tape is. So that's nice. Okay. Let me look on this side, see, make sure, because I'm seeing these folds here, so I want to make sure this side looks smooth also, because you don't want it to be, there is a section right there I have to fix. The lamb. Okay, this looks really good. I'm really impressed by it actually. So if I can find out the store name, I'll put it down on the description for you all. And let me see if I can move the camera so I'm not going to move the picture up. I'd rather just move the camera in. So you can see the symbols, they're pretty good. Okay, I'm pretty impressed. I haven't worked with the double stick tape yet. I have several paintings now with them, so we will see how I like that. I have been, pretty much have been doing the Diamond Art Club, and they always use the cord glue, which I love. So we will see if I like, if I like this double stick tape. So to have any of you got this picture, and if you do, how did it turn out? Hope I'm not ruining this. Look at that, look at that. So this is another big painting for me, but not as big as the ones that I have right now. So, okay, I like this. Let's look at our drills now. Hopefully I haven't ruined the tape. I do like that how they package that. Packaging good, A+. Canvas, pretty much A+. I'm pretty happy with that. The picture, or the field area looks really good. The symbols look really good. So far, so good. So they give you an inventory sheet here. Okay. So, let's see. Honestly say I don't have, I won't run out of things to do. I have plenty of diamond paintings right now. So I think with this next set, I will have a total of 16 diamond paintings. So I am good with diamond paintings. Look at all these. You know, you just fall in love. Uh-oh, this one's open. Okay, let's see. Did they give me any baggies? They did. They did. Not a problem. I'm glad I found it when I did. So all I'm going to do is take my finger and just press down on it and it'll bring up that drill. Alright, how are you guys liking using AliExpress? I think this might be my first time using them. I don't think I have ordered from them before. I don't know, you guys can look at my other videos and see if I have. I can't remember if I have or not. I don't think I have. I think this is my first one. But with this painting, I definitely like it. This shop did a good job. Alright, oh, here's some more. Okay, these are the same ones we've seen already, I think. So, I think that looks pretty good. I'm pretty excited about this one. This one I'm not disappointed in at all, like I have in that one from Wish that I just did recently. This one is not that. This one actually looks really good. Very pleased with what I'm seeing so far. We'll know more when I start working on it, but as I can tell right now, it looks really, really good. So this is the correct size. The picture itself is a 60 by 60 centimeters. So that is good. That's all so far 100%. Love it. There we go, 310. I'm getting to know my numbers on these diamond paintings. Alright everybody, if you enjoyed this video or if I forgot to mention something and you have a question about it, please let me know. And I will get back to you on it. And you can let me know if you've done this painting and let me know what you think of it. Alright, I'll talk to you all later and happy crafting!